On this channel, we have already talked about the 7 clauses under which a person can file for divorce. One of them is desertation. Desertation is one of the most basic legal clause under which an individual can file for divorce from their spouse under the Indian legal system. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Get Me a Divorce. Today I'll be talking to you about how desertation can lead to divorce. Under the system, if a person is living away from their spouse and slowly and gradually severs all their contacts with the spouse, then that would amount to cruelty. The court has observed in previous cases that by not living together, the individual is effectively not caring for their spouse anymore, and it is equivalent to them renouncing their marital duties and obligations. While the definition of the word desertation can be quite fluid, in the eyes of the law, a situation can be classified as a case of desertation if the husband or the wife have been left on their own for a continuous period of over 2 years without any reasonable explanation. The word continuous is of importance here. If your husband or wife comes back and resumes their marital duties and obligations at any point in time between the 2 years, then they can contest the claim of desertation against them in the court. One important thing to be kept in mind while filing for divorce citing desertation is that only the spouse who was deserted can file for maintenance, and the spouse who willfully deserted the marriage cannot claim alimony or maintenance. If an individual finds themselves in a situation where they have been abandoned by their spouse, then they have to produce proof of the act of desertion in the court. They will have to prove to the court that their spouse has just given up on the marriage without reasonable cause or consent. There is a lot of information out there on this issue, but it is a little complex given the legal terminology that is used, and that is where we come in to help you. A conversation with our expert lawyer will help you simplify the situation and make sense of it. We are here to help you understand what this clause means and if you have enough to file for a divorce under this clause. A situation similar to this but of less time span, that is less than 2 years, can also be fixed by professional mediation. To know more, you can visit our website www.getmeadivorce.com. You can also find us on social media. We are on Facebook and Instagram at @GetMeADivorce. At Get Me a Divorce, we understand that every relationship is unique and so are the needs of those relationships. And that is why we do not have a one-size-fits-all formula, but we cater to your individual needs. Be sure to visit our website www.getmeadivorce.com to book your consultation with our lawyer today.